Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope all have done your exams well, right? So today's session we are going to see a new lesson number 9. I'm going to show some pictures. Can you just guess the topic? What we are going to discuss today? Just see the pictures and tell me. These are what are these? These are all animals, right? So now just see these pictures. Yes, we can see so many animals in this picture, right? So what is the topic now? What is the lesson name? We are going to see lesson number 9, the animal world. We are going to discuss about the animals. So lesson number 9, the animal world. Shall we go into this world now? Yes? I think you all like animals, right? All children like animals, right? Some they like dogs, cats, isn't it? So now I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you see animals where you live? Do you see animals where you live? Can you see animals nearby your surroundings? Yes or no? Yes, we can see so many animals, right? What are the animals that you can see nearby your house? Yes, you can see cats, dogs, cows, right? So, do you see animals where you live? Yes, we can see so many animals nearby us, our surroundings, right? Now, one more question now. Name some of the animals you see. So, we can see so many animals you told, right? Now, name some of the animals you see. Yes, cows. We have seen cows, goat, then butterflies, then dog, cat. So many animals we can see nearby our surroundings, right? So now, which animals do you see around the school? Around your school? Around our school? We have seen so many animals also, right? Which animal have you seen nearby our school? We have seen cows, right? Cows, dogs, isn't it? Now, so now we can see. So the topic is about animals. So now we can see. What are all the animals we can see? We can see cats, cows, dog, crows, pigeons, lizards, squirrels, and butterflies in and around our house and school. We can see now. Tell me what are all the animals we can see nearby our house and school? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. We can see cat. Then cow. C-O-W. Cow. Dogs. We can see so many dogs nearby our streets, right? Dogs. D-O-G-S. Dogs. Then what else? Crows. We can see so many crows, right? Crows. C-R-O-W-S. Crows. Pigeons. Have you seen pigeons? Yes. Pigeons. P-I-G-E-O-N-S. Pigeons. Lizards. Where have you seen lizards? At our house, home, right? We can see so many lizards at our house, right? So lizards, L-I-Z-A-R-D-S, lizards. Squirrels. Have you seen squirrels? Yes, it will be on the branches of the trees, right? Squirrels, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L-S, and butterflies. We can see colorful butterflies, right? Butterflies in and around our house and school. Now tell me what all the animals we can see nearby our house and school? Cat, cows, dogs, crows, pigeons, lizards, squirrels and butterflies. So we can see so many animals nearby her. So we can see so much of animals like cats, cows, dogs and butterflies nearby our house, right? And our school. Now, see here. We can see squirrel. See, this is a squirrel. What is this? Squirrel. Sheep. Goat. Have you seen goat? Yes, goat. Rooster. Monkey. Cow. And cat. So, these are the animals we can see nearby our homes, right? So, now, see, some animals we cannot see nearby our house, right? Have you seen lion or tiger nearby a house? Have anyone seen lion nearby a house? Tiger? No. The animals like lions, tiger, bear or giraffe we cannot find around our house. So we cannot find these animals nearby our house, right? So what are the animals we cannot see nearby our house? So many animals. So lion, L-I-O-N-S, lions. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R-S, tigers. Bears, B-E-A-R-S, bears. Giraffe. Have you seen giraffe nearby house? No, right? G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. So we cannot find these animals nearby our house, right? Lion, tiger, bear or giraffe. So we cannot find nearby our house. Where do they live then? They live in the forest. Where do they live? These animals live in the forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. They live in the forest. These animals live in the forest. What? They are called as wild animals. We call them as wild animals. The animals that live in the forest like lion, tiger, bear, giraffe. They are called as wild animals. How we call them as wild animals? They live in the, where do they live? Yes, forest. They live in the forest. Animals like lions, tiger, bear and giraffe are wild animals. They live in the forest. So some animals we cannot see nearby our house, right? They are called as wild animals. What do we call them as? Wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Wild animals. We cannot find some animals nearby our house. They are called as wild animals. Now we are going to see about domestic animals. What is domestic animals? We will see now. People keep some animals at home or on farms. Some people, they keep the animals at home, right? As pet animals also. And some they will keep it as farms. We can see so many farm animals, right? Sheep, goat, hens, right? We can see so many cows. They are all farm animals. And some they will keep at homes also, right? People keep some animals at home. I think most of them they keep pet animals, right? Birds also. Some they will keep birds, dogs, cats, rabbits also. Some they will keep rabbits also at home. People keep some animals at homes or on farms. They are called as domestic animals. So the animals that live in the homes or in farms, we call them as domestic animals. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals. What is domestic animals? Animals that are kept in homes or in farms are called as domestic animals. Examples: cows, C-O-W-S, cows. Buffaloes, B-U-F-F-A-L-O-S, L-O-E-S. Buffaloes. Hens. H-E-N-S. Hens. And goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats are domestic animals. Now tell me, what are domestic animals? Animals that are kept in homes or in farms are called as domestic animals. Examples: cow, goat, buffaloes. These are domestic animals. Now tell me, what are wild animals? Animals that live on the forest are called as wild animals. Example: lion, tiger. So now these are all the examples of domestic animals. Cow, goat are examples of domestic animals. So they live nearby our house or in farms, right? Now, food from animals. We get different kinds of food from domestic animals. So now we are going to see what all the food that we get from animals. We get different kinds of food from domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. What the cow gives us? I think you all know, right? What the cows gives us? Cow gives us milk, right? And buffaloes also, we can get milk from buffaloes and from goat also, right? So we can get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats, right? Cows and buffaloes gives us milk. So which animal gives us milk? Which animal gives us milk? Cows and buffaloes gives us milk. So the milk that you're drinking, that we get from the cows, right? So we can make, what are the things that we can make from milk? So we get milk from, where do we get milk? Daily you're all drinking milk, right? Where do you get? We get from the cows. So we get milk from the cows and buffaloes, right? So now, what are all the things that we can make from milk? Yes, we can make curd, butter, paneer. I think you all like paneer, cheese. So ghee, this is ghee from milk. So many things we can make from the milk. Curd, I think you all like curd rice, right? So that we can make from the milk. So what are the things we can make from milk? Curd, C-U-R-D, curd. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Paneer, P-A-N-N-E-R, paneer also we can make from the milk. And cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. And ghee, G-H-E-E, ghee from the milk. We can make so many things from the milk. Just see, ghee, milk, curd, cheese, butter. We can make so many things from the milk. Now one more thing. What is, see, now we saw we get milk from the cows and buffaloes, right? And now we are going to see what the hen gives us. What the hen gives you? What the hen gives? It lays some eggs, right? So what is this? Hen lays some eggs. What is this? Eggs. Hen lays eggs that some people eat. Most of them they don't eat. Some people they will eat eggs, right? So what does the cow gives? Cow gives milk, right? We get milk from cows and buffaloes. Where do we get the eggs? From where do we get the eggs? Yes, hens. Hens lays the eggs that some people eat. Some of them eat the meat of hens and goat. Some people, just see, what is this? These are all hens. What the hens? Hens lays eggs. So hens lays some eggs that some people will eat. And some people they will eat the meat of the hens and goat. Some they will eat chicken and mutton, right? Some people they will eat the meat of the hens and goat. So we get milk from the buffaloes and cows and Hen lays eggs. Now, we'll see the uses of domestic. What are the uses of domestic animals? Domestic animals helps us in other ways. What are all the ways it helps us? Just shall we see that now? Oxen. Have you seen oxen? Horses. Just see oxen. See, this is oxen. Ox. Have you seen ox? Yes. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull carts. Before, in olden days, they used the ox, horses and donkeys to pull the carts, right? Now it is not that much used in our cities, but before olden days we had this. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull carts. Now, just see this. What is this? Sheep. Have you all seen sheep? Yes. What does the sheep gives you? What we can get from sheep? Wool, right? We can get wool from the sheep. So wool from the sheep is used to make, see, we can make warm cloths, like we can make sweaters from the, we can make sweaters, some warm cloths we can make from this wool, right? So wool from the sheep used to make warm cloths. See this? Socks, sweaters we can make from the wool, make from the wools. So now, what is the use of the donkeys and horses? They used to pull the carts. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull the carts. And wool from the sheep, we can get wool from the sheep, right? So that we can, wool from the sheep is used to make warm cloths like sweaters, socks. We can make so many things from this wool. We can make some warm cloths. So during the winter time we can use this, right? Next, see this? Horses, horse, oxen and donkey. So oxen, they used to plow the fields also. Now, pets. Some people keeps dogs, cats, rabbit and birds as pets. So some people, they will keep some pet animals, right? Do you have a pet at home? Yes, some people, they will keep some pet animals, right? So name some pet animals. Cat. Very good. Dogs. Dogs also. So many people, they will keep dogs as pets, right? Dogs, cats, rabbits. Some they will keep rabbits also at home. Rabbits and birds. Birds like parrot, pigeon, they will keep at home. Are pets. Some people keep dogs, cats, rabbits and birds as pets. Pets need a lot of love and care. If you're keeping some animals at home, we have to show some love and affection to them, right? So you should take care. You should give food to them. You should take care of them with lot of love and care. Yes. So now, what animals name some pet animals? Yes. Dog, cat, rabbit and birds are pet animals, right? So how we should take care of them? We should give lot of love and care to the animals, right? We should take care of the animals with lot of love and care. Now, just see this rabbit. What is this? Rabbit. So this is a pet animal. Parrot. Rabbit, parrot, cat, and some they will keep dog also, and some they will keep dog also as a pet, right? Some they will keep dogs also as a pet. So these are all pet animals, animals that are kept at homes. They are called as pet animals. So we should take care of the animals with lot of love and care, and we should take care of the trees and forests. We should take care of our forest as we get more we get clean air from the forest, right? So we get more oxygen from the forest, so we should not cut the trees, and they are homes to many animals, right? And it is a homes to many animals, birds, right? And squirrels. So some animals, birds, they are the homes to many animals, birds, and reptiles also, right? Snakes. So we should not cut the trees, and we should conserve our forest. Yes. And what else? And we get more things from the trees, right? We get wood and some medicines also we get, and rubber. We get so many medicines, rubber from the trees. So we should conserve our forest, and they are the homes to many animals. So now we should take care of our, we should conserve our forest, as they are homes to many animals, and human beings needs good air to breathe also, right? So we should conserve our forest. Today we saw what all domestic animals, wild animals, and pet animals, right? So now revise the lesson well. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.